IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Sinelebraran ti Pamilya Ablan ket Ilocos Norte ti maikasangagasot 20 anibersaryo ti Ablan Day. Dito'y akagronaan a bisita iti Pamilya Ablan ket ni Dr. Arsenio Balisacan, Secretary ti Department of Economy, Planning and Development of the Philippines. Dito'y ang nagipagpasetpay ni Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos ang nagibitlapay ti panagsarita na.
We are reminded of the responsibility that comes with leadership to serve our people, respond to their needs, and work for the good of our province. As we look at Ilocos Norte today, we carry that same responsibility. Our communities are growing and we must continue to create jobs, support local businesses, and expand opportunities for our young Ilocanos. A strong local economy helps our families build better lives and give our people more reasons to build their future here. Achieving this is a shared effort that calls for good governance, reliable public service, and cooperation among all our local governments, communities, businesses, and academia, and our partners. Together, we can build an Ilocos Norte that continues to grow and creates a better future for every Ilocano. This is the heart of my guiding principle, Servisyo ang mapagtantan, service that every Ilocano can trust. As we honor Governor Ablan's legacy, may we carry the spirit of service into work we do today. Let us create opportunities for our people, empower our communities, and work together to build a thriving, more progressive Ilocos Norte that future generations can be proud to call home.
No pa'y matutudo di paniempo ket ito'y ana usual na seremonya aglalo kadagiti military honors ana ipay iti banwar nga Ablan. Para iti IFM News, Idol Lores Martinez, Tatak, IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.